Today we are going to be talking about the thick, yellow-skinned, oval citrus fruit with acidic juice called lemon. Have you ever fathomed that lemon juice can be useful to you and your health in many useful ways? Well, keep watching till the end for some excellent benefits of drinking lemon juice and tips on how to make it the best. Lemons are jam-packed with vitamins and nutrients, like antioxidants, B-complex vitamins, calcium, potassium, iron, magnesium, and fiber. Lemon juice can be tough on your teeth if you drink it in its purest form. It is best if you mix lemon juice with water before drinking. Once mixed, drink straight away, preferably in the morning 15 minutes before breakfast. This will boost your immune system and help kickstart your day with a fresh feeling. So, what are the benefits of drinking lemon water? Here are 12 great reasons of drinking lemon juice. 1. Boosts your immune system. Lemon juice encompasses a heap of antioxidant that helps your immune system. Also, once you're stressed, your antioxidant level can drop, thus taking natural antioxidants is a smart plan for nerve-wracking days. 2. Excellent source of potassium. Because lemons are jam-packed with potassium, they're good to keep your heart, brain and nerves running efficiently. 3. Aids digestion. As part of a daily morning laxative, drinking hot or warm lemon juice may also help prevent constipation. Sour lemon taste helps stimulate your acne, and a strong acne jump starts the digestive system, helping you to digest food more easily and avoid the build-up of toxins in your body. Lemon juice is nice for digestion as a result of it helps loosen and take away toxins in your stomach. It also helps reduce indigestion signs like heartburn, burping, and bloating. 4. Lemon juice improves your skin quality as they are high in vitamin C. Vitamin C found in lemons may also help improve the quality of your skin and reduce wrinkles. Citrus-based drinks do assist in the reduction of wrinkles on your skin. 5. Freshens your breath. Lemon juice helps ease toothaches and gingivitis. However, as a result of lemon juice is tough on your teeth, don't brush your teeth once drinking lemon water, or brush them right before instead. 6. Keeps your skin blemish-free. The antioxidants in lemon juice can facilitate reduced blemishes and wrinkles. It may be placed on scars and age spots to lighten them. Since it forces dangerous chemicals out of your blood, it will also keep your skin glowing. 7. Helps you slim. Lemons can support weight loss. Yes, you heard it right. Because lemon juice has pectin fiber, it will stop you from feeling hungry, which means eating less and ultimately losing weight when carried out with a proper diet plan. Research has shown that polyphenol antioxidants found in lemons significantly reduces weight gain. 8. Reduces inflammation. If you drink it all the time, lemon water can reduce the quantity of acid in your body, and stop you from being sick. It can also stop swelling by clearing of the uric acid in your joints. 9. Gives you the all-needed energy boost. Lemon juice provides your body liveliness energy once it reaches your digestive tract. It may also reduce anxiety and depression. In fact, even smelling lemons can calm your nervous system. 10. Helps fight microorganism infections. Drinking lemon water is one in every of the most effective ways in which to minimize microorganism infections, and soothe the sore throat in which they bring with them. Also, as a result of it helping you keep your immune system healthy, it will fight the infection at the same time. 11. Cleanses your system. By removing the dangerous chemicals in your body, lemon juice helps the liver work accurately. 12. Helps prevent kidney stones. The citric acid in lemons may also help prevent kidney stones. A component of citric acid called citrate makes urine less acidic and can also break up small stones. Drinking lemon juice assists your body in becoming hydrated as well as flushing small stones and toxins out of your body. Lemon water has many potential health benefits, and lemon juice has so many great uses it can easily be implemented in your life for a healthy, energetic and vibrant feel. Staying hydrated is critical to good health. Remember, whenever you make lemon water, always use fresh lemons rather than artificial lemons from bottle. It works best with organic lemons and filtered warm or cold water. So there you have it. If you made it this far, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and of course share with your family and friends for healthy living. Don't forget to watch our other videos on benefits for life. Till next time, stay safe, blessed and continue to improve oneself for a better lifestyle.